So we have a circuit over here. We have a current source which supplies Ix. We need to find that. We have a 10 ohm resistor, a 10 ohm resistor, a 5 ohm resistor, and across which the voltage is given to be 15 ohms. So we have to find Ix, and this thing can be solved with basic KCL, KVL, and Ohm's law. So let's take a look at this problem. We have the circuit over here in middle. So we look at this resistor first and we analyze it using the Ohm's law. So Ohm's law says V is equal to IR. So it is 15 is equal to I times 5. So I will be equal to 3 amperes. So the current flowing through this is 3 amperes. Now what we can do is we can combine these two resistors. They are in series, so they will just add up, and then we will have a equivalent resistor of 15 ohms. So if this is 15 ohms and the current flowing through them is 3 amperes, the voltage will be equal to, this is through Ohm's law. Remember, when the resistors are in series, they have the same current flowing through them. Hence, we could combine these two resistors to get a 15 ohm resistor, and the current flowing through it is 3 amperes. So the voltage across this resistor is 45 volts. Now, we will have a different figure. We will have a figure like there goes our current source. This is our 10 ohm resistor, and this is our 15 ohm resistor, where this voltage V is equal to 45 volts. We just calculated it over here. Now we have the voltage and we have the resistor over here. What we can do is, well, there are a lot of things we can do over here. We can do a KCL, we can even combine these resistors. What I'll do is I'll do a KCL on this node up top over here. So by KCL, the current going inside, Ix, the current going outside, negative V over 15, this comes by V is equal to IR. Since V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R, the V is 45. And R is 15. And remember, when the resistors are in parallel, they have the same voltage across them. So the voltage across this resistor is also V equals to 45 volts. So the current going from here to here is, what we have is the current going in Ix, the current going out, that is V over R, and the current going out in this direction, negative 45 by 10. Now from this we can find out we shift these two variables on the right side and we have (15 by 2 amperes).